What's up, everybody? Gilded Bird, break 42.25. We're full. Dice roll, we're going 3 times. Squads first. 1, 2, and 3. The Blue Jays up top. Nationals at the bottom. Three times now to your names. 1, 2, and 3. Terry Steck up top. Jason Mitchell at the bottom. Again, guys, good luck. First break of the night. Take your spots in 4183. That is the 3-box mixer. That has 8 left. That'll be next. 4-box Sterling's going to hit the screen as well. Again, guys, good luck here. Good luck. There's one more Gilded in-house, guys. It is on the site. One more Gilded. It is 19 per 2. These are done at a phenomenal price. I promise you that. It's been a while since I've opened Gilded. Pretty quick break, guys. Quick break. But we can hit some absolute fire in here. First up for the Texas Rangers, Jacob DeGrom, 40 out of 99. Rangers and Brady Carlsrud. Hunter Brown for the Astros, 40 out of 75. Houston. Jamie Shealy. First ink, Vinny Pasquantino to 75 for the Royals. Kansas City and Andrew Batashir. Yuri Perez to 199, the Miami Marlins. These cards are beautiful. Miami and Josh Cox. Josh Cox hasn't missed a baseball break in 22 years. Good for him. Good luck on the gold frame, guys. Good luck here. 49 out of 50. Looks like for the Chicago White Sox, Carlton Fisk. White Sox going out to Terry Steck. Again, guys, there's one more of these on there. It's a quick break. There's one more left. 19 per. It is the last box of Gilded in-house. That is the break. Thanks for the fill. Again, there's 2 bundles left on the site, guys. 2 bundles left.